Hello everyone, this printer is Canon TS6550i. What I want to do is to show you how to scan documents with this printer to your mobile phone. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your mobile device are connected together via Wi-Fi network or Wi-Fi direct. We connected both via Wi-Fi network and using Canon Print app. This printer is online. It will show you TX6500i series online. We want to scan document. To scan document, open the glass scanner and stick the document you want to scan face down. Make sure the document starts from the top left. You will see arrow on the top left. This is A4 paper. Then close the cover. Then select scan. Then select change settings. Select data format as PDF. Original type document. Color mode, we want to scan this in color. Original size A4 plating. If you are scanning different paper, you need to select on the size to select particular size. So A4 is selected. Then select back and select scan to start scanning the document. It will also show you scanning original. This is the document scanned. To continue scanning, load the next original and select scan. So you can do this as many as you like. So we want to scan the next page. Open the glass scanner, turn the paper the other way around, close the paper cover, then select scan to scan the next page. This is the document. Once you're done, you select exit. File is saved, then you select OK. So these are the documents we scanned, 2-page document. To print this document out or to share this document to somebody, you need to select the share icon. Once you select the share icon, it will show you platforms you can share the document with via email, WhatsApp, etc. Now, I want us to print the document. Then you scroll down to select Canon Print app from the list. So Canon Print app is selected and it will ask you, do you want to use the following printer? Then you select yes. It's now processing. Then you select next. Select to print all, or if you want to print specific page, you can select current page or pages. Then you type the number. We want to print all, then you select OK. Then select change settings to select number of copies. The size A4, same as original. Media type, plain paper. We want to print this in color. If you want to print it black and white, then you select monochrome. And also we want to print it two-sided. So select two-sided long edge. If you want to print it one side, then you select simplest. Two-sided long edge is selected. Then you go back, then select print. Will show you printing is completed, then you select OK. This is the document we scanned and printed it out two-sided. This document we save it to the phone as well, and also option for you to share this document to somebody. This is how to scan document with this printer to your phone, save it, and also print it out. Thank you very much indeed.